Meaning of entomological.
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 Entomological. The word entomological refers to the scientific study of insects. It involves the investigation and research into the behavior, biology, taxonomy, ecology, and morphology of insect species. Professionals in this field use various tools and methods to study insects, including microscopy, field observations, experiments, and molecular biology techniques. Entomological research can be applied in many practical areas, such as agriculture, pest control, public health, and conservation. Understanding the world of insects is critical for maintaining our ecosystems and ensuring food security.